Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set any song as ringtone on iPhone. So in order to do so, first of all launch settings. Now from here go to sounds and haptics. Now over here tap on the option of ringtone. Now, from here, you can see your selected ringtone and other various ringtones. Now, you'll see the option of Tone Store and Download all purchased tones. If you already have songs downloaded and purchased on your iPhone, you can tap on that option. So for now, as we need to find songs and purchase the songs accordingly to set as our ringtone, let's tap on the option of Tone Store over here. Now, once you come over here, just go to the section of music. From here, you'll come across various songs and musics that you wish to download. However, you would need to pay certain amount for each and every songs mentioned here in order to purchase that particular song or music and then download it. You'll see your downloaded songs over here. And after you have downloaded certain songs on your iPhone, you will successfully be able to set that particular song as your ringtone. So this is it for today. And at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.